The purpose of this video is to demonstrate necessary adjustments within Simnet and Blackboard so that your final grades will calculate correctly. Shown here is my Simnet screen. You'll click on Classes and just pick one of your Comp 1000 classes. Come to the right and click Edit Assign, and then click Exams. What you need to do is to come over here to the final exam and click the Edit button and come into the assignment details. You'll need to bubble in the points section override and change it from 100 to 200 points and click Save. That way, when you sync your final exam grades over to Blackboard, they will have the right point value. The next thing you need to do is to come into your Blackboard gradebook, and I've shown one of my gradebooks here, and currently we have two columns, Final Grade and Final Grade with Extra Credit. What you'll need to do is come to the column Final Grade with Extra Credit, click the down arrow, and delete that column. You'll get a prompt indicating that this action is final and cannot be undone, and you'll click OK. Then your final grade column, you'll need to click the down arrow and set as the external grade. And that will be the final grade for the student, including extra credit. At the end of the semester, you will sync your final exam grades over to Blackboard, but you will need to enter the extra credit grades manually. So what you'll need to do is scroll to the right in the Blackboard gradebook, and you'll see the 4 extra credit columns. For this particular student, she made a 100 on one extra credit, a 70% on the second extra credit, and then a 100 and an 80. For it to compute correctly, if they made a 100, you'll enter a 10 in the extra credit column. If they made a 70, you would enter a 7. If they made an 80, you will enter an 8, and so on. And when you do that, their final grade will increase by the proper amount. If you have any questions, reach out to the lead instructor or a full-time comp instructor.